Willie, come here. Come here. What are you doing? Hey, you hush up.
Who is that?
He told
You're so skinny, Shane.
Come here.
I don't know him.
Look at him. He's good.
Come here, Will.
You lost weight, Shane.
Yep. Oh,
Here,
he's
boy.
smell you, he'll know. Smell.
Where you going?
Say, where you being, Daddy? Where you being?
Look at that. He had to smell it.
What are you doing, bud?
Good God, Jane, where you been? You look skinny. Jane, come here, let me get you.